just conserving the energy.
Now that's a pretty relatable line. It's such a drag for us to move an object from here to there. And to get away with that work, we made a project named Bluetooth Controlled Smart Robot or BCSR.
Our prototype also helps those with some disabilities who cannot move their stuffs on their own. As you can control it from your fingertips very easily, it is powered by 5 watt of battery and 4 wheels which help in its movement.
This is our project BCSR, which is also known as Bluetooth Controlled Smart Robot. This right here is the Bluetooth module, which is also the star of the show, which makes it very easy to control it from anywhere. The Arduino processes the data received from Bluetooth module and sends it to the driver module, which controls the movement and direction of the wheel. And that's how it works efficiently.
Now you might think this must be very hard to control, but let me break it to you, it's not. All you gotta do is to download an app from your Play Store and you can easily control it from almost anywhere.
As we are talking about saving energy, not only human energy, so we are further thinking of adding solar panels to it, which will not only conserve energy but it will also promote renewable energy.
Further, we are also planning to add some IR sensor to aid in movement and a cloth to make it efficient.
Now you can go outside and buy a robot of about 15,000 rupees, or
you can buy this project in an economical rate of 1600.
Now that efficient. We also asked people around us for reviews and we surely made it on our records.
Each of us had a really important role in this project. As for me, Aditya from DV Public School, Utko, I played a great part in software section.
Me, Ananya and Shrijesh from MGM Senior Secondary School, we worked mainly in the hardware connections and the designing of the project.
I think we all can strongly agree that the help of our mentor Hari sir and 18 teacher Shashank sir meant a lot to us.
They helped us throughout the project and kept us motivated.
And at last, we used our parts and components from the ATL lab of MGM Senior Secondary School, Sector 6, Bhilai.
As we know, elderly people and people who cannot speak and cannot even walk have significant difficulties in their day-to-day lives.
When we saw our elder grandparents or other people who are handicapped, they found their daily life tasks very difficult. So it struck in our mind that why don't we make a device which is compatible to make their daily life tasks easier.
So we are now introducing our hand gesture and detecting and messaging device, which can easily tell the needs of the patient. And this device is built on the theme of health.
This is our main controlling component, Arduino Uno. It takes this signal from this IR sensor and displays it into this 16:2 display unit LCD. The IR sensor detects any obstacle in front of it. In this case, it is the hand of the patient, and it sends signal to the Arduino Uno, which then transfers the data into this LCD, which displays the message based on the number of hand movements in front of the IR sensor.
When the patient keeps his or her hand in front of the IR sensor sends a message to the liquid crystal display where the need of the patient will be displayed.
At present, we are using a 9-volt battery, but in future we will use a solar panel so that our device will use solar energy. And we are also thinking of adding a Bluetooth device to it, which will be connected to that person who will be near to that patient, and all the needs of the patient in the form of text will be sent to that person.
Now let us check the functioning of our system. When the patient has to put his hand in front of it and the message will change. Now suppose the patient wants to go for a walk. So he will put his hand in front of the sensor and the message is changed to walk. And now he has to remove his hand, so the message will be fixed into the walking, and when the caretaker arrives, he can check the message and fulfill the requirement of the patient.
programming part, Sushanta has done the research, and Sharik has done the hardware part.
Our device is also really cost effective. A device like this available in the market can cost from 4000 rupees to 7000 rupees. But our making of this device only cost us 1000 rupees. And of course, the price will also be reduced further when we will manufacture it on a larger scale.
We asked for the reviews from our grandparents and other elder people for any improvement required in our this project. So we will deal with the required changes.
We made our programming and have done all of our mechanical work, and we have also discussed about our project from the adult teachers and the resource person. The components required to make our project are taken from the adult lab of MGM Senior Secondary School.
Garbage is the main problem for the mankind, and day by day it has got difficult to maintain waste.
So our team, right nuts, with a very proper research, came with a very effective idea of smart waste management system.
So now we are going to introduce our project Smart Waste Management System. Arduino Uno in our project acts as a brain of the system. Arduino receives data from the ultrasonic sensor and shows it on LCD. This process helps us to check the level of the garbage in it. As soon as the ultrasonic sensor detects the garbage in a certain level, a small active buzzer will start buzzing and with a beep sound. So this indicates us that the garbage container is full.
At present, we are using the 9-volt battery to power our project, but in future we are planning to replace it with a solar panel that we can promote the renewable energy.
Our project is very cost effective. It will cost approx 1000 to 1400, and obviously it will reduce further if we make it in a large scale. Now let's see our project in a working condition. As you can see, the distance between garbage and the ultrasonic sensor is decreasing. So now you can see it indicates that our garbage container is full. Now it has to be replaced or you have to clean it. Right. Devrat did the hardware designing and Alok did the software and program, and I helped them both. I helped Devrat for hardware connections, and I helped Alok too for making sketch of this project. We discussed our project with our ATL teacher and mentor for their guidance and support. We got our required materials from our ATL lab of MGM Senior Secondary School.
A lot of paper is wasted in schools. There sheets are provided to every individual student to notify them. This results in more depletion of trees. So we have created an idea of a Bluetooth controlled smart notice board which can provide e-notice to people without the requirement of paper.
Our project Smart Notice Board helps us to inform the consent to the people in various places like schools, public places, offices, etc. With the help of these projects, we can save the use of paper. The brain of our project, Arduino UNO board, we have also used HC05 Bluetooth module. It receives the data from the smartphone through Bluetooth and displays the message on the screen. We have also used a 16x2 LCD display which help us to display the message on the screen.
This is a small active DC buzzer. Whenever a message is received, the Arduino board commands the buzzer to make a beep sound indicating that the message is being displayed. The working of our prototype. First we have to download the Bluetooth Terminal app from Play Store, which is free. After downloading this app, we have to connect it with our Bluetooth module HC05. Anyone can
access the smart notice board remotely if his smartphone is connected to the Bluetooth module HC05 through Bluetooth terminal application.
I, Prakriti Shukla, did the software and programming of this project, and my colleague Rudra Chauhan did the hardware and designing of this project, and we both executed the idea of this prototype together.
Giving power to our system, we are using 9-volt battery, otherwise we can also use 5-volt DC adapter.
The biggest advantage of this project is that it is cost effective. The total cost of building it is only from Rs1,000 to 1,500. The price of this project can be reduced further if it is made on a larger scale.
In future, we are planning to use larger LED display in the place of 16x2 LCD display.